Ouch! That hurt.
You need non-slip stair nosing. Provides a non-slip function while also protecting stair edges. Here is how it works. Introducing non-slip stair nosing. They fit easily onto any stairs. The added stair nosing has a rough surface, meaning no slips. As each footstep lands, the shoe will grip onto the stair nosing grit surface, preventing slips and falls. For any non-slip products and installations, check out our website for some of our products like the fiber grip stair nosing, aluminium stair nosing and other non-slip options. Check out our website at www.safestepsolutions.co.za.